Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency within the imToken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the imToken wallet app on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your wallet name and your password or your recovery phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the wallet page. Now, if you wish to change the currency that is used to display the value of your tokens, then just tap on My Profile at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Settings and you will now see the currency option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will see the various different currencies that are available. Go ahead and tap on whichever currency you wish to use and then tap on the Save button, and now you will notice that this currency is now being used to display the value of all of your tokens as well as your account, and you can change this setting in the future at any point of time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency within the imToken application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.